Before we do that, I wanted to share a collaboration that I have with a brand called MSBLUE. This is the first collaboration that I have with them, and they have sent 2 rings, which we are about to see. This is a very nice packaging, and the box feels quite heavy. They have sent, ooh, this is so pretty. They have sent 2 rings, which I will try in a moment. So this is the first one. It's golden plated with moissanite. It's so simple and beautiful. And what I love about it is that it has a hidden anniversary stone right here. I hope that you can see it. Here is a little sapphire. And then the other one is also golden plated moissanite with emerald. I'll try to film this in a different lighting so you can see it better. This brand, MSBLUE, has so many different jewelry options on their website. They specialize in engagement and wedding rings, as you can see from the scent that they have sent. But there are so many different options for trendy, everyday jewelry as well on their website. They have lots of options of gold, silver, other precious and semi-precious stones like citrine, ruby, pearl, emerald, moissanite, aquamarine, amethyst, and so much more. You can find stunning pieces on their website, and there is a discount code Valentina15. So if you're looking for a gift for somebody, gift for yourself, there is also my code. And with your purchase, you get the quality assurance and lifetime warranty. So that is pretty amazing. You don't really get that with any brand nowadays. So thank you so much, MSBLUE. I really loved my new jewelry.